So what does it mean to scrunch out the crunch, or the acronym SOTC? Well, it's a curly hair styling technique that allows you to transform your curls from stiff and crunchy to soft and bouncy. So if you've ever avoided hair gel because of the cast it creates, then you will want to see this. Hello, this is April with a Curl Story, and today we're talking about that gel cast. So I use this technique often when I'm using a gel to style my curls. It's also used by curly hairstylists all around the world to help create smooth curls that are bouncy and soft too. And it's just part of the curly hair styling process. So we still want to use a gel because it creates that hold, that definition for our curls. But then once our hair is completely dry and 100% dry, so not damp at all, once it's 100% dry, then we can scrunch out the crunch. But do know that this technique is not for everyone. It's not for every hair type. So you decide what works best for you. For example, we do not use this technique on my daughter's hair because she loves the definition that the gel cast provides, and she already lives a very active lifestyle. So we just let her hair and that gel cast soften up over time on its own. Now here I'm using this silky scarf on top of my hand, and that's what I'm using to scrunch up my hair and to break and soften this gel cast. So I don't want to use my bare hands because the warmth of my hands or any moisture that might be on them will interfere with the products that are in my hair, because any of that warmth or moisture could then create frizz. So I want to maintain the definition that I have, and scrunching will just soften it up. It'll still keep it in the same shape, the same condition, but just soften it. So I will get a lot more volume with this because the gel really compresses those curl clumps, but when you break that gel cast, it does allow them to breathe. It does allow them to open up a little bit. And that's what I love for my hair. I have medium density hair, so when I have the gel cast, my hair looks very, very thin. And then you can see some of my scalp too because of that extra definition there. So once I'm done scrunching the ends of my hair, then I'm going to work on my scalp area. So I'm going to comb out the first inch or so of my hair. And so you'll see I'm really trying to get in there. I don't want to comb any other part of my hair, just the roots. So I do have to move my hair around a little bit, part it in different ways so I can get to that root area. But that will really remove the curl definition at my scalp so that it sort of fluffs it up, and then it helps to conceal your scalp and any cowlicks or any unintended part lines that you might have there. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.